Hello everybody, welcome back to the next vlog. So, it's really warm out. We are outside fixing bikes and putting stuff on bikes. And look at this.
Front or back?
It was the front. I replaced the front brake pad yesterday, but we put this on. It's gonna hold stuff.
Stop's so nice now. Not so nice, but it's good. It's just gonna fall off.
We could just paint this black if we really wanted, but I don't
know
care.
it's pretty good. Yeah, we don't really care. Now on my bike, I actually shipped some parts of that one. I'll show you guys.
But there's our junkyard one.
Brake pads. There's still a few traction left. Brake pads is $5.
I mean, this isn't connected here because I guess we didn't have a screw.
I'll make it $4 or sometimes you guys want me to. Once when I do need to replace the brake pads on my bike, I'll make it $4. But they're even good. So here is kind of put it against the light, and as you can see,
My thing is
definitely a good steel. Okay, a good big.
It says it's in one right now, but it's.
I got 2 of these.
I don't think mine's actually in one.
This one. Wait a minute. And we have.
These are rusty.
We got 2 brake pads. I stripped off that old silver bike right there.
Wait, do you have this too? Do you have 2 chains over here?
Yes.
Like 2 on your pedals?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're at Walmart. We're just looking at the tools because we really need these tools, guys. Once I get my money, I'm probably gonna buy this thing. It's absolutely enormous. It's called. I'm probably gonna buy this thing and probably this $10 wrench set or that little $4 one. We looked at a nice screwdriver set.
They have some here.
This is $5 and probably these would be good. And they also have like, what about hammer? How much are their hammers? $8.
A Dollar Tree hammer would be fine.
But look how nice this is. $3. One's 3, this one's 5. I'd probably get like this, but I really want this stuff now.
I know.
I hate looking at stuff. But I'm probably gonna get
It'll
that.
always be here. This stuff will always be here.
This, and what are some good pliers? These Stanley, I can't read.
It's okay. But they have some here. Sorry for the loud kid.
We should probably get back to
Yeah, that's my mom because we.
They don't have any of the needle nose ones. They let you test out these. They're okay.
Do we need needle nose more than we need regular pliers?
I think we need needle nose. Okay, guys. This is their full selection. I'm just gonna film everything.
Parking time. Okay.